In this video, you will learn how to unprotect Excel sheet that is protected with password or without password. Currently, you can see here I have protected a sheet without password. If I want to change these values, you can see here a dialog box appeared. The cell or chat you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. So I am not able to make changes on this sheet. So how can I unprotect this sheet? So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Firstly, I will unprotect this sheet which is protected without password. Open that particular sheet and place your cursor on the heading of or the name of that particular sheet and right click. When you right click, you will find the option of unprotect sheet. Click on this option and this sheet is now unprotected. You can make changes in this sheet. For example, if I want to write anything, I can do that. So now you will learn how to unprotect sheet that is protected with password. For example, I have protected this sheet with a password, and if I want to make changes, if I double click on it, you can see here a dialog box appeared that the cell or chat you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. So I can't make changes in this sheet. So how can I unprotect this sheet? I need password which I entered during the protection of this sheet. Open that particular sheet to unprotect it. Place your cursor on the name of that particular sheet and right click. When you right click, you will find different options. Select unprotect sheet as we previously selected. Now you can see here this sheet is protected with password and Excel will ask for password. Enter the password which you have entered during the protection of this sheet. 1 2 3 and click on OK, and you have successfully unprotect this sheet. You can make changes in this sheet. For example, if I double click on it, and I can make changes in this sheet. By doing so, you can easily unprotect Excel sheet that is either protected with password or without password. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.